open this up. Pass this one through the back here, and this fold it to the back. So guys, I'm getting ready to go to church. Fast one, alright? So let's tie my hair tie together. Okay? You fold it. See how I'm folding it. Alright? See the size? This is my natural hair and I don't want to pack it. Okay, let's just see how it goes. So, one, two, like several times. Okay. So that is it. I'll pass this through here. One, and pass this through here. So see the back how it looks. How do I look? I'm going to church this way. I am loving this, seriously. Okay?